Namaskar everyone and welcome to another special edition of Echoes where the voices of students blend into a symphony of gratitude and love. Today's episode is not just a conversation, it's a celebration of those who illuminate our lives with their wisdom, patience and care. People will forget what you said, people will forget what you did, but people will never forget how you made them feel. And who makes us feel more valued, more inspired, and more capable than our teachers? They are the ones who gently guide us like lighthouses through the foggy waters of learning and life. Today we come together to not just talk about the role of teachers, but to honor the essence of what it means to be a teacher, the nurturers of dreams, the builders of characters, and the quiet heroes who leave an indelible mark on our hearts. To help us explore this beautiful relationship between students and teachers, we have a group of incredible young minds here to share their stories, reflections, and heartfelt messages. But let me remind you that today is not about recounting experiences, but about the feeling of deep gratitude that each of us has for our teachers. Thank you and namaskar.
Let's start a discussion with Arnav. Arnav, can you tell us about a time when a teacher's encouragement became the turning point in your life?
There was a moment when I was struggling in a topic of maths. I felt defeated, but my teacher saw potential in me that I couldn't see in myself. With patient guidance and constant encouragement, I was able to overcome my fears and succeed. That moment taught me that sometimes all it takes is one person believing in you to change everything.
That's a powerful story. It reminds me of the quote by Albert Einstein. It is the supreme art of a teacher that creates awaken and joy in a student's expression and knowledge. Cheher, how has a teacher's guidance helped you in the choices you've made in your personal or academic life?
One of my teachers once encouraged me to question, to think critically, and to never take information at face value. This advice not only deepened my understanding of subjects, but also influenced the way I approach life decisions. The teacher's influence made me realize the importance of curiosity and the power of informed choices.
That's truly inspiring. Education is not the filling of a pail, but the lighting of a fire. Ruchita, can you tell us how a teacher contributes in shaping the character and values in a student?
Teachers are the unsung heroes who instill values that last a lifetime. Through their actions and words, they teach us the importance of kindness, respect, and integrity. It's these values that shape who we are far beyond the classroom.
Beautifully said. Teachers are indeed the sculptors of our character. Glyna, can you share how a teacher helped you to pursue your passion?
My teacher once noticed my interest in art and went out of their way to help me to develop it further. They pushed me into entering competitions and never stopped giving me constructive feedback. Their belief in my abilities made me realize that not only I can turn this hobby into a normal hobby, but into a lifelong pursuit.
That's amazing. It echoes the thought that teachers plant seeds in students that grow forever. Lastly, Sanya, can you tell us how a teacher's values extend beyond the classroom?
Once a teacher told me that education is not just about learning facts, it's about learning how to live. This advice has stayed with me, guiding throughout my personal life challenges and helped me find my path in life. So this means that the impact of the teacher's wisdom was far beyond the classroom, what is taught by the teacher.
They say, a teacher's purpose is not to create the student in their own image, but to create a student who can develop their own image. Today we witnessed firsthand how our teachers embody this purpose, empowering and guiding us to become the best versions of ourselves.
Dear teachers, your influence stretches far beyond the classroom walls. You are the ones who ignite our curiosity, nurture our dreams, and shape our future. Your words of wisdom echoes in our mind. Your belief in us fuels our ambitions, and your acts of kindness leave an indelible mark on our hearts. You are the unsung heroes, the quiet architects of our destiny, and the guiding star that lights our paths. On behalf of all the students here and those around the world, we express our deepest gratitude. Thank you for your unwavering dedication, your endless patience, and your boundless passion for teaching. You are not just educators, you are the mentors who mold us, the role models who inspire us, and the pillars who support us as we navigate the journey of life. As we part ways today, let's carry forward their invaluable lessons which they have imparted in us. Let their light shine through us in everything we do, and let us honor them by carrying out their invaluable lessons and living them by which they have so lovingly instilled in us. Happy Teachers' Day to all the extraordinary educators who have made our world a better and a brighter place. Namaskar, and may your hearts be filled with the same joy and love that you have so generously given to us.